Do that. Woo!
Oh, you ain't start recording yet?
I already recorded.
No, I ain't got a lot. I'm a rock star.
Hey, welcome back with King TJ Production. I'm here today with a Wi-Fi extender. What is a Wi-Fi extender? This is a little box I bought it from online for $30. It's really great for you guys that have poor connection at your house. It's really amazing. So you could get it for $30. This is cheap, so you can get it. For what does it do? Is for people that have low internet, you grab more capacity to your internet and send it out. Like you can be outside your house and still get a good Wi-Fi connection. So for you that play games online, that watch videos, streaming movies, Netflix, Hulu, all the other stuff, and for people that watch porn, I know you guys watch porn, so it's all good. So this is the best item I can tell you to purchase online. So it's really worth, and trust me.
You think I'm not? Yo, y'all niggas don't play. Y'all niggas are playing, man.
So don't come back here no more, bro.
Yo, this nigga don't play.
Hey, this is what it come with. This is the old product. Look around it, and there's a serial number in the back and the password, all the information that you're gonna be needing. It's no tricky thing in the middle, so it's kind of fun. This is the off and on switch. You can turn it off and on. This is the signal. So that's how you merge it with your. So I know for sure if you get to that part that you watch the whole video. So what I have for you for watching this video, I want you to go subscribe, like my videos, and share this video. And I'm willing to give 3 boxes away of this product. I have 3 more, and I'm willing to give them away. I'll pick the 3 lucky winners. Thank you for watching.